bro Yama back with another episode. Today we are doing some customizations on my FZ6. This is a 2005 model. I'm proud of my bike. The previous owner has done a bit of customizations for me. So today what we are going to do is we are painting this part of the frame red, along with the pillion pedals and the back area here. So I'm gonna be lazy and we're just gonna take this plastic off. We're gonna mark off the whole bike with paper and tape, and we're gonna just spray both sides. So let's see how it goes. Boom, back at it again. Now we got everything painted and put back on. Sick, nasty. Look at that, fresh. So yeah, that's it.